If it's your first time using Brizy Shops or you just want to try it out, you can use the trial option. And that gives you 14 days access to Brizy Shops within Brizy Cloud. This is best activated right within Site Builder, but when we are going to use the starter template in the next video, I'll also be using that. Let's quickly create a new project so that I can show you where you're going to do that. I'm going to do one that's empty from scratch. And we get our empty builder, nothing happening here. I go to my dashboard settings here within the project. And in the sidebar on the left, we have the shop option here. Select products and you can see that it is all locked. There's nothing going on here. If you click on this button right within the builder, you're going to activate the trial version of shops. That's important to understand because if you go from trial to a full license, you have to do a few steps, and that's similar to what happens in the starter template. I'm going to click on Activate Shop, and what this is going to do is load a sample set for you of products and templates that you can use. And I really think these are useful, especially if you are just testing, to give you an idea of what you can do with Brizy Shops. Now that it has reloaded the website, it has activated the trial, and you will see that we have this little bar that appears here with the Get Shop add-on. If you don't have a license and you click on this one, it will give you this pop-up with the pricing, and if you click on it, it will take you to Brizy where you can buy a license. If you already have a license, you cannot activate it from here. You'll have to go to the dashboard of your platform and activate it there. I'll show you soon how to do that. Within the trial, you will see we have samples here, and if you go to templates, also you will see that the templates appear over here. You have 14 days to enjoy these features of Brizy Shops. After that, it will be locked again and you'll need to get a license. But hey, this is a great way to practice it. Now, let's say you have created your shop or you've played around and you actually created something here that you're really very, very happy with. And you decide that you want to upgrade this trial site to a full-fledged shops site. And the following way is how you do that. You've created your site, you saved everything, you exit back to your Brizy Cloud dashboard, and this will be Project 5. Yes, Project 5 that I've created. Let me just write here trial so we don't get confused. You will see that there is a little card here at the top. And it says Pro Project because that's what it is, but this is your trial. So if I go to the 3 dots, you're going to see Deactivate Shop, and this may confuse you a tad. You will think that you've used a license, but in fact, you've only used a trial license. I'll prove that to you. Let's go to this one without any license, and I'll click on Activate Shop. I'll select drop down, and you will see that I've only used one, and that's this one over here, which is project number 1. This is a trial license. Now, activating your full license, you will first need to deactivate the shop. You'll have to go through this step, and it's something similar we're going to do in the template video. And then once you have deactivated it, you go back and you activate it. It feels a little bit redundant. It feels unnecessary for these extra steps, but that is the current way and how it integrates within the system. And you go ahead and activate it. Now that demo trial site that you've been using, it's now a full-fledged site. I'm not going to use the license now. Right, let me clear this out, these projects a little bit, and then we look at a starter site.